And this blacksmith has made new prostheses for me. These.
Jarl, I've tried my best. I really did, but this is the year 791, and that is how far we have come in our metal working, right? No. No, I beg you, no. I have a family, Jarl. No! Jarl, please, I beg you.
I should have had some birch bark or maybe some dry grass. Wonder if these branches have gotten a little wet. Whew. It worked when I tried it earlier today, so it's not working. That was very unfortunate. My bad.